Hey everybody, well this is Terry with Terry's Travels, and once again I'm doing a rebuild on my no-build minivan and to make it into a little camper. And so I thought I was going to take my table out, and which is what I make my bed from, and I have decided to put it back in and just rearrange a few things. So let me show you what I got going on. So as you can see, I've got my stuff, some of my stuff out, or most of my stuff out. And this is where we're going to start. So I just love the idea that I have all of this space right here that I can put compartments that I can put stuff in. I like that, you know. This van really does have a lot of room. And but tomorrow, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's under all this stuff down here. That's my hitch, so I'm gonna have it installed tomorrow. I am very, very, very excited about that. So, and you can see my little wires right here. This is my little fairy lights. I'm proud of those. Man, these little lights, I mean, they light up good at nighttime. I was really surprised at how much light I actually have in here at nighttime. So, especially whenever my windows are covered. But anyway, let's get started with the bed. Okay, I was going to show y'all the way I keep my sheets on my bed is these little sheet straps. I got those at Walmart, I believe. But those, I'm going to strap them up under my bed, and I'm going to strap them to the other side of on the other side of my sheets, and that's how I'm gonna keep my sheets on my bed without them, you know, rolling off every time I move around on my bed. And I've had several comments about people saying, well, you don't have a lot of headroom, and I don't. But now I'm not a person that will just lay up in bed. I sleep on my bed, and that's just what I do. I don't lay up in bed or anything like that usually. When I wake up, I get up and get moving. So this is going to be workout perfect for me. So, but let me strap these sheets down, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. That way I'll have room to put my other things in here. Okay, look at this. So what I've done is I took some paracord and I tied the bed where it will not shift forward. And then, yeah, that worked really well for me last time. So I'm going to try that again. And, but yeah, it's going to come together right nicely. Okay, so I've gotten this much done. I've made my bed. I'm going to show you all that in a minute. But this is what I've got in here. I mean, I've got my little 12-volt plug-in thing that I need to be able to charge things with. I've got some gloves and a mask. What is this right here? Oh yeah, my fire starter for whenever I want to start a fire. All of this stuff kind of is my outside stuff except for this. What is this right here? Okay, and then, ta-da, this is what I'm proud of. Come on out of there. So these are my, this is my tablecloth, my tablecloth that it goes on my table wherever I go camping. Y'all, this is so pretty when it's set up. It just wraps around the table really nice. It holds secure. I'm so proud of this. My sister gave me this when she came home for Easter. And then these right here are my screens that go on either of my doors. I've got some little lights that I can set up around the perimeter of my van. A flashlight, another fan if I need it, because I do have one in here I can hang my gloves. I am about to order a power surge protector thing. I don't know if that's what this is or not. I'm not sure, but I'm not taking any chances. I've got these extension cords, power cords to hook up when I stay at parks and things like that, because I am going to be bringing my extension tent and my portable air conditioner with me. Now all of this right here is, as you can see, all this is my kitchen stuff. So just a few little things here and there. Oh yeah, I gotta kind of get in there and clean that up. Oh, and my chaffle. I'm gonna tell y'all, I love my chaffle. I could probably organize this a little bit better. Here's my new coffee pot. Just some things to wash. Oh, and I need to put my my new collapsible sink in here somewhere. But yeah, so my stuff to wash with, or wipe down things with, and my utensils, Huggies. These are what my neighbor calls scrubbies. My little neighbor, the elderly lady that lives next door to me, Miss Lizzie, she made me these. I'm so proud of them. I love homemade gifts, y'all. They're the best. I do have some chip clip holders or bag clips or whatever you want to call them. I have another tablecloth down under there. And then this is another tablecloth. Most of all of this down here is just baggies and trash bags, and I do have some hand towels in here. So, oh, and these things are like little umbrellas, and it's like whenever you cook and you've got food set up on your picnic table, you can open these up and you can set them over whatever you've got cooked to keep the flies off of them. I'll have to demonstrate those for you later on, but yeah, that's what I got going on there. So let's have a look inside. Okay, so far I got my bed made. I've got another throw in case I need it, and of course my pillows are set up. And right now I don't have anything under there, but I'm about to take care of that. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to video that. And because I put some stuff in some Tupperware totes, and then I think I'm going to bungee that stuff down. I found the perfect place to put my window shades, my window coverings. And I'm just sliding those right in there, and I can reach those anytime I need them. Look at there. Fits like a glove. Okay. Alrighty. Look, so I've got a container here. It's got some of my stuff in it, some of my cooking stuff. It's got a rug in there. There's my potty and everything that it needs right here. I can stow my my socks and my clothes, everything I need right here, y'all. Wow, I'm so excited about that. Man, look at all the room. Well, right now it doesn't look like a whole lot of room because I'm still working on everything else, but I wanted to show y'all I keep this Faraday bag right here tucked in the back of my seat. And the reason why I do that is because whenever I get parked, I always put my key in one of those. So the van doesn't accidentally unlock or whatever on its own, and somebody can come in here on me. That was some real good advice I had from somebody who left something in the comments. So if you've got any really good ideas, please leave some comments for me and just let me know what you come up with. Every little bit helps, and I have gotten some really good information from people. I'm about to do something with this hot mess right here, right now. Oh, and I did want to mention again that there are my window coverings, and I mean I can just slide them in and out. I'm real proud of that. So I had to mention that. Oh, and this right here, I put this in here. This is my food, and down here I've got a safety kit in case I needed, like a first aid kit or whatever. But what I did is I bungee corded it to the legs of my table so that hopefully it'll stay in place. I probably need to bungee cord this. I'm sure I'd need to. But all that being said, so far this is what I got. So I'm going to finish up, and then I'm going to show y'all what I got left. Hey everybody, well I just wanted to mention, after I made this video, I went to Walmart and I decided to buy these bins, and I mean they were like $6 a piece, you know. And I think they're going to fit really nicely under there. And I think this is where I'm going to put all of my, I'm going to use this to put like all my camera stuff and my clothes and my shoes and things like that. And I think it'll fit right nicely under there. What do y'all think? Also, if y'all have any ideas or anything that I need to add to my van, please leave some comments. Give me a little bit of advice. It always helps to, you know, get a little extra information from people who have been doing this for a while, or either are just getting started like me. So we all need, I guess, to share our ideas. So, but yeah, I think that was a good choice right there. I did get a comment from a nice subscriber that suggested these bins. So I thought, well, you know, let me go buy them. I'll get them. We'll try them out and see what it's like. So I think I'm going to enjoy them. But if y'all have any advice, please leave it in the comments, and I sure would appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, this is the view from this side. I got it put together. I am so proud. And look, I got a little room behind here that I can tuck something in if I need to. Which will probably be my little, this right here. My basin, at least for now. So I will be using the front seat. I don't know, I mean, water and whatever else I need, I can always put it up here, or I can tuck, I've got room under my bed. So, I don't know. We'll see how it works out. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving here in the next few days, several days, and so I kind of wanted to kind of get everything ready. And I'm not one to wait around. I like to try everything out. I like to know what I'm looking at and what's going on with my setup before I leave. Oh, and guess what? My camping table, it fits. Look at it. It fits right on in there. Wow. So got a little extra room here. So, yeah, y'all, I feel so blessed to have it. I love my van. I can't tell you how much I love my van. I feel a lot of freedom with my van now. I can go anywhere I want to. I am so blessed. Really enjoyed making this video. And every time I do a rebuild, I learn a little bit more about what I need and what I don't need. And there again, if you would, please leave some comments below and let me know how I'm doing anyway. But if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. It means so much. And if you'll hit the notification bell, it'll notify you whenever I put out a new video. And so that being said, it was good y'all being here with me, and I will see y'all in the next video.